Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start inside Google Pay, open the app and tap your profile icon in the top right. Once there, choose Settings or Payments Profile to reach contact controls. Make sure you're signed into the account that holds the blocked contact. You do this because blocked contacts are per account and sometimes hidden under different menus. Finding the correct profile prevents accidental changes to another account. Once in Settings, tap People and Sharing or the Contacts and Blocking section to view blocked numbers and emails. You'll see a list. Scroll or use Search to find the specific contact. Tap the entry, then choose Unblock or Remove. This restores their ability to request payments and messages. Make sure to confirm the action when prompted, because unblocking is immediate and affects recent payment requests and message visibility. After unblocking, confirm success by sending a small payment request or reopening the contact's profile. You should no longer see a blocked badge. If the contact still appears blocked, force close and restart Google Pay. Sometimes the app needs a refresh to update sync. If problems persist, make sure you didn't unblock on a different Google account. Switch accounts in the profile menu and repeat the steps to ensure the change applies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.